Welcome back to our channel released on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Stranger is a Korean mystery drama that has improved to be a success, each in its domestic and on the global platform. It has created a league of its own. Over its seasons, we have been visible the display narrating top stories, intellect with deep pad, or woman analysis, and thought-frightening revelations. The collection is so bold that it has obtained nominations for numerous accolades, prevailing the grand prize for television on the 54th Baesang Art Awards. Stranger airs on Netflix for its international target market, and it's wrapped up its second season in October 2020. Let's now test out the information of its subsequent edition. Stranger Season 2 premiered on August 15th of 2020 on Netflix and wrapped up with the 16th episode on October 4th of 2020. Unlike maximum Korean shows, Stranger turned into conceptualized as a capacity multi-seasonal project. Moreover, every season of the collection tells a self-contained story, leaving room for the creators to discover new plot arcs within the Destiny episodes. And each of its seasons has obtained 2 superb reviews. Therefore, in phrases of content, material, and response, Stranger holds the scope to spout a brand new edition. If Netflix offers it a go beforehand, soon we can count on Stranger Season 3 to gold standards someday in 2022. The lead solid of Stranger contains Cho Seung-woo as Hwang Si-wok, a prosecutor hired at Seoul Western District Prosecutor's Office. Season 2 sees Si-wok become a member of the Supreme Prosecutor's Office within the Criminal Legislation Division. Bae Doo-na performs Han Yoo-jin, Senior Inspector at Yongsan Police Station. Lee Jun-hyuk stars as Seo Dong-jae, Si-wok's colleague, at the same time as Yoon Si-ye's essays, Yoon Shia essays Lee Yoon-jae, the chairwoman and CEO of Hanjo Group. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news, and updates. Jeon Hae-jin joins the Solid cast to as Choi Bit, Chief of the Intelligence Bureau and the Investigative Procedure Reinformation Unit. Choi Myo-sung stars as Woo Tae-hye, Chief of the Criminal Legislation Division of the Supreme Prosecutor's Office. In Season 3, we count on Cho Seung-woo and Bae Doo-na observed by way of means of a maximum of lead solid to make a comeback. In the second season, we see the prosecutor's office and the National Police Agency getting entangled in a dispute over authority over the investigative proceedings. Meanwhile, Hwang Si-wok and Han Yoo-jin try to remedy a consequence of the crimes on their own. The finale wraps up on a competitive note, revealing the primary antagonist to be Woo Ta-ha, a person who has been unassuming as possible all the same time. The end tells us how under-certified guy sees the top positions of hierarchy by a way of means of resorting to grimy hints and schemes. With Season 2 having ended on a conclusive note, we count on the brand new season to choose up some other exciting case with Si-wok and Yoo-jin Main at the investigation. Thank you for watching the video. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news, and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com. And if you like our video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel, Release on Netflix.